Hello everyone, it's almost noon here in Bydgoszcz in Holiday Inn. We're in the middle of the conference Google Cloud Developer Group CloudFest Poland 2023. As you can see behind me, over 200 people in one place, 22 sessions, quite amazing. The rooms are full, people super excited.
Hey, it's great to be here at the Google Developer Community event in Bydgoszcz in Poland. Super exciting. Heard some great presentations. It's great to learn, but also contribute into the community and really making an impact into the tech industry, not just in Poland, but across Europe, and also supporting the opportunity that we have to growing within the community to support Google Cloud, but also our customers and their customers as well. So it's great to be here. This is a great event. Super excited for the rest of the day.
Hi everyone, my name is Abdel. I work for Google. I'm a cloud developer advocate. This is my first time to Bydgoszcz. I hope I am pronouncing the name correctly. At the CloudFest events, it's fantastic. I really like coming to these small events with smaller communities. It's awesome to see all these people. It's very energetic. It's very, the vibe is awesome. And yeah, I'm enjoying it so far. It's great.